In a small town called Hoopsville, there lived a young boy named LeBron. He had a big heart, a contagious smile, and an incredible passion for basketball. LeBron spent every waking moment dreaming of playing in the NBA and making his family proud. LeBron's journey began on a humble court in his neighborhood. He would spend hours dribbling the basketball, practicing his shots, and perfecting his moves. Everyone in Hoopsville admired his dedication and talent. They knew he was destined for greatness. One sunny day, as LeBron was playing in the local park, a mysterious old man named Coach Wisdom appeared. He had seen LeBron's passion and potential and wanted to help him reach his dreams. Coach Wisdom handed LeBron a magical basketball and said, "With this basketball, you will unlock your true potential. But remember, true greatness comes from hard work, teamwork, and humility." From that day forward, LeBron's life changed. Whenever he played with the magical basketball, he felt a surge of energy and confidence. He became faster, stronger, and more skilled. But LeBron never forgot Coach Wisdom's advice. He remained humble and dedicated to honing his skills. As LeBron grew older, his reputation as a fantastic player spread throughout the land. Coaches from all over wanted him on their teams. But LeBron didn't want to play just for himself. He wanted to inspire others and make a positive impact. LeBron joined the NBA and became a part of the Cleveland Cavaliers. He worked tirelessly to improve his game and lead his team to victory. But LeBron's impact extended far beyond the basketball court. He dedicated himself to helping others, especially children. LeBron started the LeBron James Family Foundation, which aimed to provide educational opportunities for underprivileged kids. He believed that education and sports could change lives. He built schools, organized mentorship programs, and encouraged kids to dream big, just like he did. Children from all walks of life looked up to LeBron, not just because of his basketball skills, but also because of his kindness and generosity. He showed them that with hard work, determination, and a caring heart, they could achieve anything. LeBron's fame continued to grow, but he never let it get to his head. He understood that his success was a result of the support and love he received from his family, friends, and fans. He remained grounded and always gave back to his community. Years passed, and LeBron's legacy as a basketball player and a humanitarian became legendary. He won championships, broke records, and inspired millions. But his most significant achievement was the impact he had on the lives of children around the world. And so, the story of LeBron James, the humble and talented basketball star, continues to inspire generations of children to dream big, work hard, and make a difference in the world. As LeBron once said, "I'm just a kid from Hoopsville who had a dream, and I'm here to tell you that dreams really do come true.